Welcome to Yepic Studio, where your imagination comes to life through the power of AI. We're thrilled to have you join our creative community, where turning text into captivating videos is just a few clicks away. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or simply someone with a story to tell, Yepic is here to make your vision a reality. Create with Studio Express for fast video generation, full photo custom avatars, voice clones, and more. Animate your AI-generated portraits with human-sounding AI voices from the world's top voice providers. With Yepic Studio Pro, you can create videos with slides, animations, videos, banners, and music. Perfect for presentations, onboarding, and content creation. Thank you for choosing Yepic AI, and welcome to the future of storytelling.
Hello, how are you guys doing? It's Aaron here and Daniel from the Yepic AI team. It's good to be here. Thank you all for tuning in. Over to you, Daniel.
Yeah, thanks, Aaron. Pleasure to be here, and really excited to show you guys a bit more about the Yepic product, more about what we're working on, so to work from the trajectory moving forward. Dive straight into a demo of give everyone some more insights.
Great, and just so everyone knows, we're doing these weekly now, and during these weekly formats, we will give you a quick demo of the product. We'll show you some cool stuff we're working on, and every week will be a bit different. Next week, we'll have some of the research team on the call, showing you some of the cool things we're working on. The week after, I think we have Mel with us, our new amazing product manager. She'll be showing you some of the cool product updates coming. But today, I think we're going to be showing you a live demo and showing you the state of the product today, and hopefully answering any questions that come in as well during this short broadcast. And I think it's a good time to hand over to you, Daniel, for an actual live demo.
Good. Just sharing. Hopefully that's visible. I think it's loading now. Brilliant.
It's like the awkward moment when, like, your Netflix comes up on the screen, and we can see what you've been watching.
I think share is currently blank.
You should be a sharer. You should be good to go. But while we wait for Daniel's share to come on, I'm just going to play this quick video for anyone that missed it.
Welcome to Yepic Studio, where your imagination comes to life through the power of AI. We're thrilled to have you join our creative community, where turning text into captivating videos is just a few clicks away. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or simply someone with a story to tell, Yepic is here to make your vision a reality. Create with Studio Express for fast video generation, full photo custom avatars, voice clones, and more. Animate your AI-generated portraits with human-sounding AI voices from the world's top voice providers. With Yepic Studio Pro, you can create videos with slides, animations, videos, banners, and music. Perfect for presentations, onboarding, and content creation. Thank you for choosing Yepic AI, and welcome to the future of storytelling.
So just waiting for Daniel to get his tech stuff sorted, and here he is. And Daniel, are you ready to share your screen?
Yeah, let's see.
Fantastic. I see your screen. Great.
Perfect. Okay, brilliant. Right, can you see Studio, Aaron? You got eyes on this?
All good, all good. We're all good.
Perfect. Well, yeah, let me just give you a tour, everyone. So we'll just start with the initial home dashboard. You see here a selection of tutorials, including my the talking photo there in the corner.
Star of the show.
Yeah, that's that's it. And here you can see some recent videos you've created, and then your sort of plan. So obviously I've got a ridiculously high number of credits, but unfortunately that's just for that's an internal benefit, perk of the job, let's say. So and then you can see number of digital avatars. You can see some other metrics here that just tell you about your current plan. Then there's an upgrade option down here. So if you're currently on starter plan, you might want to consider upgrading to standard or pro, where you get a whole host of other features, extra credits for one, which you can use to create even more videos, even more minutes of video. And then for the developers out there, you can request an API key on this page as well. So yeah, I will come back. This is the gallery of past videos made. I'll come back to that once we've created our first video. But yeah, so if I now turn to the plus sign, you see the two options pop up here. So we might want to go create with Express to show you this feature. And here you go. So you can see now the options, the avatar options down here. So you can select an avatar that suits you. So we have quite a few recently added very high definition avatars that we've generated recently. So we can let's try one of those to start with, Agent 7, for example. So you select the avatar there, then you can select a voice. So you can actually create a custom voice. But we have a huge selection of preset voices many of which come from 11 Labs, which is a source of incredibly high quality voices. So maybe let's go with American, English, United States. Let's try, you can try them here.
Hello, I am Eric, one of the American English synthetic voices.
Let's go with, try Harry. So the ones labeled with the, let's try Ethan. Okay, I'll just select Ethan. Then in the script section, you would write the script you want the avatar to say. So let's go, hello, I'm Ethan, super spy, and with a license to kill. Ask me anything. Okay, so that's the script I'm going to go for. You can actually use the ChatGPT assistant here to generate your script with ChatGPT within Studio. And you can also upload a voiceover if you wish, just to have the voiceover go over the top, and the lips will sync up with the voice that's been uploaded. So let's just test the script.
Hello, I'm Ethan, super spy with a license to kill. Ask me anything.
Okay, good that we went for that voice. I think that suits Agent 7 very well. Now click generate and confirm. Great, so we've got confirmation there. Requests have been successfully received. The video is now being processed. It's now being generated in the gallery. And so if you go to gallery now, in the middle here, you can see that the video is processing. Just while it's processing, it'll take, it will be very quick, but it'll take a minute or two. Let's have a look at some previous videos that I generated.
Hello, I'm here to help you with stuff.
Very nondescript script I went for there. This is Guy.
Hello, I am Guy, and welcome to this tutorial.
So yeah, he mentioned tutorial. That is a key business use case for Studio. Of course, you can use it for tutorials. You can use these avatars for internal and external training. You can use them for presentations you want to deliver, but there's all sorts of uses. So our video has now been generated. Click on that, click play.
Hello, I'm Ethan, super spy with a license to kill. Ask me anything.
A very Jason Statham-esque voice that very suitable. And let's just go for a past example here. There's another Eric one.
Hello, I'm Eric, and welcome to this video.
Great. So yeah, there's just a few options there. And I can hear Aaron coming back online. That is our walkthrough of Studio Express. I can continue, Aaron, or feel free to take it over.
Yeah, let's go into Pro as well to show some of the core features, or maybe I could take over and do some Pro.
Yeah, sure. Go.
I think as well, it's important that we go after we sort of address the quality as well. Our quality is really, really good. You've probably seen companies like HeyGen and DID. We almost exclusively all the time outperform them. I'll just quickly show you an example. 1 second. DID especially, the quality difference is humongous. Okay. Now I'm struggling to share my screen. Here we go. Super. Hopefully everybody can see my screen now. There we go. Super, super, super. So these pages are available on the website for you to play with, and you can see side-by-side examples of each vendor.
Hello, I am a custom avatar, created with DID's AI video generator.
Hello, I am a custom talking photo, created with Yepic Studio Express.
Just going to zoom in again and replay this video so that you have that example. Perhaps just going to refresh. Look at the mouth
Hello,
region.
I am a custom avatar, created with DID's AI video generator.
The mouth is quite coarse and wide, and it's not very, very detailed, whereas the Epic is very precise.
Hello, I am a custom talking photo, created with Yepic Studio Express.
And also, Yepic Studio is much cheaper than DID and all the other platforms. So these pages are available. There's also a HeyGen comparison page, just Yepic AI/HeyGen, Hey-Gen. The same here, you can see the quality difference.
Hello, I am a custom talking photo from HeyGen AI video generator.
HeyGen is slightly better than some of the other competitors, but I still think ours is much more natural.
Hello, I am a custom talking photo, created with Yepic Studio Express.
Great, and on that note, this is a great time for me to quickly go into the studio and show you guys the Epic Studio Pro this time. So I'm just going to quickly log in. Same as last time, you click the plus button, but I'm going to click on Pro this time. And within the studio, you can sort of drag and drop everything. You can have image backgrounds, you can have text layers, which is by here. You can change the fonts with some Arial Black. Actually, I don't like Arial Black. I'm going for Inter. And I'm going to bring the font size down to 70. You can also reposition the size for like a 1-to-1 for Instagram, for TikTok, and for tablet. And you can also change the resolution. Changing the resolution does affect the final output quality, which affects the time of render. But right now, all these qualities are actually the same. In Studio Express, you can do 4K. We're adding 4K to Studio Pro very soon, as well as the option to create full body avatar, half body avatars in the product. These are a bunch of people that I've met. I'm just going to pull in this lovely lady I met at CogX. You'll notice that right now in Pro, it's just the heads, talking heads. But this week, we'll actually have full body custom talking photos inside Studio, as well as Express. So I'm just going to pull her over here to welcome us. And I'm also going to add an image here. I'm going to search for AI conference. And very soon, you'll also be able to generate images using the new DALL-E free model, which is quite exciting. We're just waiting for that to be publicly released, and then we'll be adding it into the product. We looked at using a few other solutions, but we want to give you guys the best solution. Okay, I'm also going to add some transitions between these slides. So now there's a swipe right here. This can be edited to be swipe left, swipe up, or anything you like, really. And then you paste your script in as you normally would, or add a voiceover. And we're also about to add the ChatGPT function to Studio Pro as well. But right now that it's being tested vigorously inside Studio Express. You can also change the positioning by going top and bottom here, like you could in Canva or any other software where you'd make imagery or videos. And it's really effective. And you literally hit generate, or you save it as a draft. I think that's sort of like a few of the features here. You can also add background music. There's some stock options, acoustic strings perhaps, and there are some tags here to help you find things to make it easier. And you can also change the volume of the music. You have to select the music first. There we go. So that, I guess, is a brief overview of some of the capabilities within Studio Pro. And as I mentioned, very, very soon we'll see some of the Express features come through, like the script generator, like help me make a video about cats, cat care, one slide, one speaker. Here we go. Here's your introduction and your slide, and the types of things that you could use. And you obviously want to edit this. You never want to just run this straight away. You always want to be editing and making sure it meets your requirements. But it's a helpful place to get started to keep things creative. So great. That's me done for now.
Brilliant. Yeah, thanks so much, Aaron. Thanks for the walkthrough. So I think, yeah, for this sort of final stage of the webinar, we can open the floor to questions. I know some people sent them in advance as well, so I can read through those and get those addressed. So yeah, let me just start with those ones actually. I know a couple of people emailed in. So first one, I think you've touched on this a bit, Aaron. But maybe I'll kind of fire this one your way. What sets Yepix Studio apart from other video tools like HeyGen, Synthesia? This comes up a lot.
Sure. I think there's a number of things separate us. The first is definitely the quality. The lip sync is pretty much unrivaled, and we've made that sort of like the cornerstone. The second thing is the speed. During Daniel's demo at the beginning of the video, you saw how fast the video was rendered. It was literally done instantly. And that's in a queue with hundreds, thousands of other videos. At the moment, we're having between 300 and 1,000 new people sign up a day. So there's a lot of new people experiencing the product, and it's super, super fast. And I think the fact that it's so fast is because of all the research that's underpinned here. This isn't like an off-the-shelf system that anyone can just take off GitHub. The only thing similar is called Sad Talker from Tencent, and it's not that great. You can use it in Hugging Face. You can use it on sort of platforms. You'll pay like $1 a minute. I think that brings me to the other great thing about Yepic. If you're using it at scale, it's really, really cost effective. Even at the entry level, at our lowest price tier, you're getting like double, triple, 4 times more video than you would with our competitors. So it's already, much, much, much more cost effective. And this all feeds into our much bigger strategy to help developers to build applications, to make the software really easy and available to developers. They can integrate this into their tools, into their workflows. So this isn't just a destination that you have to go to make video. We want the technology to be embedded in as many places as possible.
Brilliant. Great. On to the next question. Great. So we've got, how does Yepic handle ethical AI video creation?
It's one for you, Daniel.
Well, yeah, I think, I mean, on that front, I know that kind of as a content creation platform, we sort of empower creators. We allow them to create content, and we also verify emails. We review our email database to ensure that people joining are sort of, generally from kind of from proper businesses. There aren't sort of malicious or malicious sign-ups, people signing up, or that kind of intent. But yeah, Aaron could speak a bit more on kind of any vetting procedures and I guess the overall philosophy.
Well, I think it's very simple, really. We don't let people upload random images in Studio Pro. In Studio Pro, you get a high quality video. We make sure that you video verify that it's you, or we ask you to sort of like verify that it's not you and it's not anybody, that it's like an AI generated character. Second thing is that throughout the platform, there's filtering. So if someone tries to say hate speech or profane things, it gets automatically blocked. And yeah, I think those are the two key things, really. We're not the fun police. We're not the video police here. We want you to make incredible content. And we know that a lot of the creators that use our platform will use it with, say, Runway AI, and they'll merge together the capabilities of other tools, and they'll want to like quickly export video from ours and put them into another system, and then bring Runway video into our system. We see that happening quite a lot. So we don't want to like restrict how you can be creative. We want to empower people. That's where we stand. We're all about empowering creators, but we don't tolerate deep fake hate. I've got a question here, actually. Someone asking about Chat GP.me. When will it be available? Great question. Right now, we're doing lots of tests, and I'm sort of speaking about this at lots of events and sort of working on the first case studies. It's not ready for public release just yet. So far, the user sort of studies that we've done and sort of interviews that we've carried out have shown that most people want a fully made system that lets you sort of upload a document and train the neural network to say the right things. That's a little way away, but the first launch that will happen sort of in this quarter, in Q4, is focused on developers, bringing this capability to developers to allow them to build applications with their own pre-trained LLMs. I was actually just at a conference, MTH conference in Berlin. It's a big movie, TV and film conference. And I actually did a live demo. We created like an AI version of Neo. I was talking in this like studio that was like where they filmed The Matrix. So I thought it'd be quite fitting to pay honor to this great show. I'll actually just find the clip and play it for you. One sec. Okay.
Let's see. So let's ask him. What is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is for you to discover, outside the confines of the system. Free your mind.
Okay, fair enough. He didn't want to say the whole thing, but this is being generated right now live. Let's ask him, I don't know, Neo or Chuck Norris?
So you're typing as well as talking, or?
Yeah, you can type or talk. Let me just, Neo or Chuck Norris, let's see what he says.
In the Matrix, I faced agents, sentinels, and many challenges. But Chuck Norris? That's a legend of a different kind. Even in the Matrix, we've heard tales of his feats.
So you can see from that short clip the sort of power of having the real-time engagement. It's still a bit slow, but when it's launched, it'll be like having a video chat with one of these AI agents. So really excited to put that in your hands as soon as we can.
Yeah, no, actually, it ties really nicely into a question I received, which was, will it be possible to speak to our avatars that we're creating in Studio in the future and have them speak back? And yeah, I mean, I know that Aaron, you've mentioned before, sort of vision, kind of an overarching vision for the future. Really, is that these avatars are going to be virtual assistants that can help people in all aspects, all facets of life. You know, you can have a virtual assistant help you with homework, help with directions, and you can speak to them. They speak back almost like you've got a personal assistant, like a human personal assistant. But yeah, if you feel free to build on that.
No, very much is the vision for sure. Yeah, very much is the future. I think we'll cover that in future webinars, definitely.
Yeah, that's definitely a topic that deserves almost its own webinar in scope.
Absolutely.
So,
I've got a good question here. How does billing work? So we changed the billing a little while ago, away from up to 1 minute was 1 credit to pay as you go, essentially, only paying for the seconds that you use. So now the structure is a little bit more complicated. There's different prices for different resolutions of video and also for different voice providers. We wanted to bring the best voices from the best providers, but obviously these have a cost. So we've had to restructure, but now you only actually pay for the seconds you use instead of paying for like 1 minute every time you made a 5-second clip. So we certainly noticed this helped some of our larger users, and hopefully it will empower smaller creators to use the product more and to get deeper into all the epic things you can create. Only have 3 minutes left though, Daniel. So I can see a lot of questions here. I don't think we'll have time for all of them, but you can pick the next one.
Great. Yeah, let me have a look. Let's pick one out. Okay, what's the plan for new? What is the plan for adding new avatars? Okay, right. Well, yeah, I guess in terms of our avatar selection at the moment, we do have a mixture. We have some recently added very high quality avatars. There's a sort of superhero one, an alien, but then some more serious ones. I think one dressed as a doctor. So hopefully avatars that can apply to any use case. But we actually are in the process of expanding our avatar library and adding more of those high quality avatars. And actually, we're going to make the distinction a little clearer as well within the dashboard, so that you can kind of choose. You can filter by style basically, and get to what you want quicker. So yeah, that is constantly expanding, and yeah, we just want people to be able to create the best videos possible. And don't forget that you can upload your own photo as well, of course.
I think really that's the magic here. We are going to keep adding avatars all the time. And right now we're working on a complete revamp of the pipeline for, sort of like half body and full body avatars to make them available. Sort of like we used to have a system where you'd film yourself and then we'd turn the footage into an avatar that moved around. And we swapped from that technical approach to a faster one to give more scale and to help lots of app developers to embed this technology in their applications. But we now have a new version that's about to go live, which is like a photorealistic video with your mannerisms. And we also have a styles feature that some of you are already using that allows you to bring the talking photos to life with different styles. So it's, you're only going to see sort of more of the body, more hand motions, and just more interactivity as the company continues to develop and launch our product.
Yeah, and I think styles really is the key there, because a lot of people, particularly when they have a specific business use case, they don't want the avatar to be really happy if it's a sort of serious presentation. Likewise, they don't want the avatar to look down or kind of monotone if the purpose is something that's wellness oriented, for example. So, but I see we only have a few seconds left. So yeah, thanks very much for joining, everyone. We'll share this online, and of course, there'll be another one next week sometime.
And for anyone that wants to find out more about how to make a video, make a talking photo of your own, you can follow this link right by here. How do I paste links in here? There we go. Hopefully that will work. Is that working? Yes, there's the link. So if you go to YouTube, it's one of the most recent videos, and you'll see Daniel's face talking you through. We should actually have a lip sync competition, Daniel. We should have like you and the avatar side by side.
That will be next week. That'll be next week's webinar.
I wonder if I've actually got it. This isn't rehearsed, by the way.
evil-
I've actually got your video here from.
Oh, really? My evil twin.
Welcome to
taunting
Yepik
me.
Studio,
Oh,
where your imagination comes to life through the power of AI. We're thrilled to have you join our creative community, where turning text into captivating videos is just a few clicks away. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator,
I can't remember the script.
Gary,
Aaron.
Daniel, even moves his head like you.
Next time, with a script, we'll give that a go.
Lip sync competitions. I think that's definitely the future. Me versus my avatar.
I'm determined to beat my AI.
Great. Well, thanks everyone for joining us. We will see you all next week for another installment and a deeper dive into all things Yepik.